Installation guide of MB1785T and MB7585T backlight replacement for Panelmate ePRO and Panelmate PowerPro. Remove the circuit board by removing the standoffs and screws holding the circuit board to the display plate assembly. Remove flat screws from the communication panel and the circuit board. Detach video cable from LCD, backlight cable from inverter and 10-pin touchscreen cable. Now, gently remove touchscreen glass and LCD panel. Note: you may have to remove inverter board to remove backlight cable. In that case, follow next steps. Make sure COM panel screws are already removed. Pull out control board gently with COM panel to access inverter board. Remove the inverter board and later replace it with Monitech board. Replacing the backlight. Take the LCD and remove the screws. Snap out the L-shaped backlight housing. Take the CCFL bulb out and swap it with the LED lights. Route the cables through dedicated path. Insert the backlight housing back in the LCD and fasten the screws to hold it tight. Now assemble the LCD and touch screen back to the machine before placing back the control board, as you need to pass the cable from the hole behind the board. Installing the inverter. Install and fasten Monitech inverter board at the same spot as old CCFL board. Attach the power cable back in the inverter board. Now back to the front. Slide the touch screen cable from the hole behind the LCD. Fasten the LCD back to its place. Connect backlight cable and touch screen cable. Now slide the control board back to its place. Connect any other remaining cables back to its place and fasten all the screws. Now, assemble the back panel back to its place and your controller is now ready to use. Visit monitech.com.